Did you know that the average person spends nearly 55 minutes a day searching for items in cluttered spaces? That's over 12 full days a year wasted just looking for things. If you've ever opened your closet door and felt overwhelmed by the chaos within, you're not alone. The frustration of not being able to find what you need, coupled with the anxiety of knowing that your space is disorganized, can be a heavy weight to carry. But what if I told you that a simple DIY closet makeover could not only alleviate that stress, but also change your daily routine for the better? Imagine stepping into a closet where everything is neatly arranged, where you can see all your clothes at a glance, and where the shoes you love are easily accessible. A well-organized closet can transform your mornings, enhance your productivity, and even uplift your mood. With a budget of just $100, you can embark on a journey to reclaim your closet space and, in turn, your time and peace of mind. The first step in this transformative process is to acknowledge the common challenges that come with disorganized closets. Many people struggle with limited space, which often leads to overcrowded shelves and hanging rods. Items get lost in the shuffle, and it becomes a daunting task to locate even the simplest of things, like a favorite sweater or that perfect pair of shoes. This chaos can create a negative ripple effect, causing stress and diminishing efficiency in our daily lives. So, how do we tackle this? The makeover begins with a thorough decluttering session. Set aside a weekend, gather some boxes, and prepare to face the contents of your closet head-on. Start by removing everything from the closet. Yes, everything. Lay it out on your bed or the floor so you can see the full extent of what you own. As you go through each item, ask yourself a few key questions. Have I worn this in the last year? Does it fit? Does it bring me joy? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Donate or sell items that no longer serve you, and you'll be amazed at how much space you can free up. Once you've decluttered, it's time to assess your closet's layout. Take measurements to understand how much space you have to work with. This will guide your design choices and help you make the most of your available area. For a budget-friendly approach, consider using items you may already have at home. Repurposing old boxes or bins can be a great way to create storage solutions without spending a dime. Now, let's delve into the design ideas that can elevate your closet makeover. One effective strategy is to create zones within your closet. Group similar items together, like shirts, pants, and accessories, so you can easily find what you need when you need it. Use matching hangers to create a uniform look, which not only saves space, but also adds a touch of elegance to your closet. If you have extra vertical space, consider adding a second hanging rod or installing shelves to store shoes or bags. For those on a tight budget, look for affordable storage solutions at local thrift stores or online marketplaces. You can often find baskets, bins, or even small shelving units for a fraction of their retail price. Labeling is another powerful tool in your organization arsenal. Use simple labels or even chalkboard paint on bins to easily identify what's inside. This small step can save you precious time during your morning routine. As you start to put everything back into the closet, keep functionality in mind. Place frequently used items at eye level and store seasonal clothing or less used items higher up or at the back of the closet. This strategic placement makes it easier to access what you need without having to rummage through everything else. Once the organization is in place, take a step back and admire your work. The transformation will likely be nothing short of impressive. The before and after difference can be staggering. Where once there was chaos, now there is clarity. The closet feels less like a burden and more like a sanctuary. You'll find that the simple act of opening the door no longer fills you with dread, but instead brings a sense of calm and control. The impact of this makeover extends beyond just the physical space. Imagine waking up in the morning, stepping into your newly organized closet, and effortlessly selecting your outfit for the day. Your mornings become smoother, your productivity increases, and your mood improves. You no longer waste time searching for items. Instead, you're empowered to start your day on a positive note. In conclusion, the journey of a DIY closet makeover is not just about transforming a physical space. It's about reclaiming your time and enhancing your quality of life. With just $100 and a little creativity, You can create a closet that not only looks great, but also functions beautifully. The process of decluttering and organizing can be a cathartic experience, offering a fresh perspective on your belongings and your daily routines. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by closet chaos, take the plunge. Embrace the challenge and embark on your own makeover journey. You'll be amazed at how a little organization can lead to a significant change in your life, making every day just a bit brighter and more efficient. Start today and watch how this small change can lead to big transformations in your daily routine.